Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the mortgage payment calculator directly inside the RBC app. First, go ahead and open the RBC app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. From here, scroll down until you see the Services section, then look for Tools and Calculators and tap on it. You'll now see a few different calculator options. The one you want is the mortgage payment calculator, so go ahead and select that. After tapping on it, you'll be redirected to a new page in your browser. Once it loads, you'll see a simple calculator where you can enter your mortgage amount and get an estimate based on a standard interest rate. If you want more control, you can switch to the Advanced option. This allows you to adjust things like interest rate, payment frequency, and amortization period to get a more accurate result. You can test different values and see how your monthly payments change based on your inputs. And that's pretty much it. It's a quick and easy way to estimate your mortgage payments using the RBC mobile app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped.